This twin-screw extrusion technology can be used to conduct continuously and efficiently the pretreatment of lignocellulosic biomasses prior to fiberboard molding. The homogeneous thermo-mechanical pulps are produced at low cost and using a reduced volume of water, and the versatility of extrusion enables the addition of a natural binder in a single pass.
Using combined temperature-moisture content is a key for a successful twin-screw extrusion of lignocellulosic fibers. So you always start with an excess of water, then you decrease the amount until getting the desired texture. As the process is really sensitive, we have to rely on all of the sensors. So the video will add sight and hearing to the paper, smell and touch in the near future.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Laurent Labonne, an engineer in my laboratory. Laurent will be assisted by Saif, a PhD student in the lab.
Begin by using half clamps to connect the twin screw extruder modules in the correct configuration for fiber defibrillation only. Position the water inlet pipe laterally at the end of Module 2 to connect the piston pump to the machine, and check the screw element type, length, pitch, and staggering angle. Insert the screw elements along the two splined shafts in pairs, taking care that the threads of each inserted screw element are always perfectly aligned with the previously assembled elements. Once the entire screw profile has been assembled, manually screw the screw points at the ends of the two shafts, completely close the barrel of the machine, and use a torque.